Hello, and thank you for taking this time to learn more about home insurance. Today, you're joining me for our course, Home Insurance 101, presented by Benefit Solutions Plus. We are a local insurance agency located in northern western Washington state. We offer all lines of insurance and encourage you to inquire with us for additional lines of coverage. In today's presentation, we will go over the different coverages offered in your home insurance policy, what the limits of coverage are, and the next steps. Each type of homeowner's policy has different levels of coverage. Basic form, as its name suggests, is the least comprehensive of the standard home coverages. The important thing to note about reading basic form policies is that they cover only named perils. This means that if a coverage is not specifically named in the policy, there is no coverage. On the other side of the scale is the comprehensive coverage that extends coverage to include more perils and include more coverage. Other coverage types listed also have limited coverage based on the situation, whether you are a tenant or renter or a condo or mobile home. With a typical homeowner policy, there are generally 5 key components that make up the coverage. Coverage A, which covers the dwelling itself. Coverage B, which covers other unattached structures on your property. Coverage C, which covers your personal property, medical payments to others coverage, and liability coverage that covers injury or damage that you or family members may cause to other people. Coverage A, dwelling coverage, provides for damages to your house and the structures attached to it. For example, the plumbing, heating, electrical, and fixtures. The amount of dwelling coverage is determined by a replacement cost estimate provided at the time of quote for your coverage. The carrier will require the details of your home to best estimate the value to replace your home. Coverage B, other structures, covers damages for detached structures on your property. For example, the fencing, detached garage, tool sheds, the driveway, and swimming pool or hot tub. The coverage for other structures is usually based on a percentage of the total replacement cost for coverage A, dwelling coverage. Coverage C, personal property, provides coverage for your personal property such as clothing, electronics, furniture, and appliances. This coverage extends outside the house also, meaning if you leave your laptop in your vehicle and someone steals it. Coverage C will provide coverage for that stolen item. Personal property coverage is typically also a percentage of the replacement cost of your coverage A. Medical payments coverage provides for medical expenses to others should they injure themselves or are injured by a covered pet while on your property. There are optional amounts you can choose from when quoting your policy. Please review these options with your agent to determine the right amount of coverage for your situation. Liability coverage protects you against lawsuits for injury or property damage of others that you or a covered family member may cause to other people. This may be on or off your personal property, covering litigation costs and court awards. There are optional amounts you can choose from when quoting your policy with liability, so please review these options with your agent to determine the right amount of coverage for your situation. The Scheduled Personal Property Endorsement provides coverage for collectibles or higher value items that require more coverage than what's offered in the standard personal property coverage. Please review important collectibles and higher valued possessions with your agent. An appraisal may be necessary to determine the value of an item. This helps to provide a higher level of accuracy should something happen to the item to ensure you get the replacement cost of that item. We hope this has provided some insight into how a home policy is written. Thank you for viewing our Auto Insurance 101 presentation. Please don't hesitate to contact us for more information about home insurance or to get a free quote across the several carriers we represent. Thanks again, and we look forward to hearing from you.